In this tutorial we'll focus on installation of a brand new LCD into your laptop. If the LCD that you ordered did not come with a power inverter, all you have to do is take the old one and secure it into its location with one of the screws. Once you flip the LCD on the back, you will notice that you will have to connect the backlight connector to the output of the power inverter. At this time, you can start installing the video cable. As you remember from our previous tutorial, the video cable has two tabs, one located on the right hand side and one on the left. Make sure not to force the connector in. Before you put it in, simply press on both of the tabs and gently slide it in. Now the bottom portion of the video cable has to be connected to the power inverter. Simply locate the connection slot on the power inverter and holding the video cable right above it, press down. Now that the inverter and the video cables are installed, we can start mounting the LCD into its frame. This time, you can take the pre-assembled LCD and simply slide it into place. As you recall from our previous tutorial, there's 8 screws located around the panel, 4 on the right hand side and 4 on the left hand side. At this point, you can start placing the screws in their respective position around the LCD panel. Now that all of the screws are in place, it's time to install the plastic cover. Pay close attention to both of the plastic latches. They're located at the top of the LCD panel. When installing the plastic cover, make sure that both of them go through. Underneath the plastic faceplate, there are several hooks that will snap in place once you press firmly around the perimeter of the LCD. At this point, you can place all of the 5 screws that were previously installed around the perimeter of the cover. Once the screw is in place, you can use those plastic caps that were previously attached to the front plate. Now your LCD unit is ready to be installed and connected together with the motherboard. making sure that both of the latches are in parallel position. Simply snap it in place. Now it's time to connect the video connector to the graphic card that's located right on the motherboard. Simply place the connector over and firmly press on both of the sides. Apply slight pressure to the tape that secures